Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will list the top 3 things you should never ever do in Animal Jam. Before we get into it, please subscribe to this channel and Super Ninja Squid 7 Gaming. And let's begin the video. So first, now that that's over. First, I will say, okay, first, number 1. Never hack accounts. This one is really bad. Really bad. So if you get hacked, you're probably gonna be really mad or you're gonna be sad. So be aware. Because someone can hack you. Something you can do to avoid it is take off buddy requests. I already have it off. The game bites off. Because sometimes people, I'll tell you that later. That's number 2 on the list. But let's do this. Number 2. Don't scam. A lot of people start scamming by playing games with someone and then buddying them. I know this might sound crazy, but it's true. One time a panda tried to scam me because I had the game invites on. And one day they're like, "Hey, I'm doing a video," but I asked them what their channel name was. They said they're real, totally real. If only I could do the little fake thing, but totally real, really. But they came up with a fake channel name, and I searched it up. It didn't show. So I was like, ha, scammer. And I locked them out my den and unbuddied them. So that was great. But just be aware of scammers. So one way is to take off your game invites. And also keep your den locked. I never really keep mine unlocked. Because sometimes I open a my shop and then, yeah, it's already locked. And they're like, it's locked. And I'm like, oh my god, sorry. Okay, number 3. Oh wait, no, just number 3. Number 3. Don't copy famous jammers. I know you might have some items from famous jammers like elf bracelets and furry hat for Pepper, and like the shades and the sword for Jelly Jones, but don't use them on their characters and do the same exact colors and eyes. It's messed up, and that's also called scamming, because people might think you're really Pepper or whatever you dress up as with the same name tag and all that, with their normal name tag, but really it's just you. And they try to trade you really good items like spikes and headdresses, maybe even a light pink one, the best headdress ever. But don't do any of this stuff. It's bad. It's bad stuff, guys. Bad stuff. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And subscribe to Super Ninja Squid 7 Gaming. I keep saying 27, but I finally can just say Super Ninja Squid 7 Gaming. Okay. See you in the next video. My little meows and casses. Bye bye.